Hi, every businessman realizes the need of a person or department when they are not able to manage it alone or to scale up their business. Like how accountants, HRs, marketers, sales department are gradually fixed with time, businesses will also fix digital marketers. There will be a huge demand for skilled digital marketers in next 10 years. As an agency owner with 12 years in the industry, I've always had challenges of finding the right candidates because there are not many digital marketers, and hence I wanted to create something meaningful for the industry. It's time for you to learn about my new venture called Digital Scholar, a premium digital marketing institute that adapts to agency-style learning. After running a successful agency and handling 100+ brands, this course is planned considering the most required skill set to become a perfect digital marketer. And some of them are content, social media, search, agency culture and personal branding to make you industry ready. So what are you waiting for, guys? If you want to become a world-class digital marketer, you gotta become a digital scholar first. Enroll right now.